Let's look at an example of where we calculate the mean, or the mean is actually already given to us, and we have to work backwards. So Lily's test average for 5 tests, so we know how many, is 85. So we know that X bar is 85. She only remembers the grades on the first 4 tests. So if we think about this, the mean, 85, is going to be 90 plus 74 plus an 84 plus an 82 plus we don't know. And we divide that by 5 because there's 5 tests that she took to average an 85. Okay, so add up these 4 exams, and that will give us 330 points. Well, if we do a little bit of algebra, which I know we don't necessarily always like, we have a division here, so we need to undo division. In order to undo division, we multiply both sides by this 5. So that will eliminate this, and that will give me 5 times 85 will give me 425 is equal to 330 plus X. The missing score, the 5th test. In order to find out what that 5th test is, these are added, so I will subtract 330 from both sides. And when I do that, 425 minus 330 will give me a 95. So Lily made a 95 on her 5th test. Now, you can always check yourself. Plug in a 95 here. Add it up and divide by 5. Do you get that 85? And yes, you should. So there's multiple ways that you can do this. This is the most straightforward using your algebra skills. When choosing the most appropriate average, mean is the most common to describe a data set. It's not always the most appropriate. Now, you can look in your book, and that's actually going to be on page 626, to see different ways whether you need to use mean, median, mode. Okay? In the next video, we'll look at different ways of measuring spread.